Good old YouTube fan base pays for itself.
Pays for itself, mate. Everyone knows it.
I just kept getting worse and worse. Went from he's leaking fuel to like a fuel line or something, and he snapped the key. They were like, oh crap, then we got that fixed. And then we noticed the whole freaking subframe had snapped. There's no way that'll get over another dune. Luckily we found a subscriber, knew me, Nerb, and bloody Shadower. Even knew Brendan, didn't know his name, but recognised him. He's helping us out. He's going to take Mark in the four-wheel drive. We're going to rock it into Birdsville and get a four-wheel drive to come out and get his bike. We are on the clock trying to get to Birdsville, trying to get to Big Red by night time for the sunset. That's what we want, man. 3:36. If we can get to the creek by 4, we're good. Go straight, Brendan. Brendan is hammering, man. He is a sand god too. Look at that. That's a freaking top of 4th, man. Can't catch him. Go. Top of 4th. That's 110 k's an hour. Going up a dune. So yeah, slow down a bit for the 15 turns. Do I dare start jumping the dunes? Really don't want to break anything, but man, Ren Dog's absolutely flying. I'll try and get closer to him. Good footage. Woo. Absolutely railing. Go! Holy moly. 2 days of just riding sand, my least favorite thing. Oh, I've got to be close to the creek now. Where is it? Should be a giant river through here, man. I really can't see there being a giant river through here. Like, where is this thing? 2 kilometers. Look how green it is here. Whoa! Shit, man, add a little water. Holy crap! Just went from red to green. Whoa, that's amazing. So, it should be an impassable river up here. And we should have to divert about 1 kilometer around it. Detour. The diversion around. They got it roped off and everything. Oh, frick, that was a stint right there, frick. We did it though, holy crap, we are legends.
Dude, how fast am I?
Dude, I was filming you and I was like, holy crap, I'm holy.
Yeah?
Brendog, man.
Yay!
Flying.
I've come so far.
Sand god.
Be proud of me.
Well, I'm still quicker, but...
We'll wear a t-shirt as well, man.
I know, look great.
I was like, I better not crash.
There we go, boys. Yeah, creek. probably get the bikes across, but we'll take the diversion. Easier. Normally, no water in it. Now, it's a freaking river. I drove through this in the Jeep. There was no green and no water.
The only one is, oh, look at that.
So we have to divert around a couple Ks. Get to Big Red very soon. Hell yeah. Socks, mate. Jesus Christ.
Put on dry,
Hey, keep going.
Dry socks on.
Keep going. We could cross this.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, maybe not.
Nope.
Maybe. Oh, we could, but it'd be scary.
About there, and it's really soft.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Your trip here.
Add that much to your tyre.
Yeah.
He's going for a slip.
Dive in, mate.
Right, you ready?
There you go. In there, creek.
Good on you, mate.
Well done,
One
mate.
of the few people to swim in the den.
Bloody hell.
It is cold, huh?
It's it's freaking freezing.
She is a beautiful creek, middle of the Simpson. That's weird. Sand dunes right on the edges. Beautiful. Let's get to Big Red, boys. Easy peasy.
Hell yeah.
Awesome, man. Bit of a river crossing. Frick, which way do we go? I don't know. What, do you go this way?
It's not like kilometers and kilometers.
No. So there was about a 6.2 kilometre diversion that we had to do. Just bug around, coming back now. Bit of a dilly-dally, but there's a river there. That's why we went around it, I reckon. Not bad, good size. That's a no run up, man. And we're back on the French line for another 19 Ks. Let's go. Simpson Desert. Almost freaking finally done after like 5 years of trying to knock this thing off, man. Hell yeah. Thanks to FMF programmer. Going too rich. Exactly when I didn't want you to. You're going to do that in Big Red, aren't you, freaking FMF programmer? Cut my throttle right when I need it. There she is, boys. Big Red, baby. Look at all the freaking forward drives there. Holy moly. One more June, baby. One more June WR. Holy crap. Look at that freaking pack of freaking cars. Get out of the way. Let's go. Big Red, baby. Yeah, freaking Big Red. Hell yeah. Freaking finally, right on 5 o'clock. Hell yeah. Well done, WR. Well freaking done. son.
Yes.
Craig's hammering. Yeah!
So warm. Almost bloody beer. There we go.
This is Brendan doing the SHOEY.
Boys, we did it.
Cheers, mate. Crunchy.
Tastes like victory.
Well done, mate. Well done. We did it, guys. 5 years of trying to cross the Simpson Unsupported. Me and Nerb did it. So excited. Hell yeah. Big Red complete. Simpson Desert, fully unsupported. Done.
Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, there was
No dice, mate.
just the tire cracks all the way up.
Yeah, it's hard for these guys, I guess.
Yeah, correct.
Us, mate. Look at this guy.
Here he comes. Well, boys, we did it.
We did it! We freaking did it!
What do we need to say? How's it going, gents?
How's it going, gents?
How's it going, gents?
Like, comment, subscribe!
That's how it's done, boys. Whoa.
Go for it. Craig's getting the ultimate shot up there. I'm gonna go for this one. Sun's going down. WR's made it. 2 KTM's made it. Unfortunately, Mark's Husqvarna didn't make it. We did well. Just crossed Big Red and I've still got a lot of fuel left. That's it. The sign to the Simpson Desert. Done. We did the Simo, we can do bloody wheelies again, yes! Oh my god, a paved road. Coming into Birdsville. Jesus Christ. What a mission, man. Simpson freaking Desert, what a mission. Welcome to Birdsville, freaking hell. So Brendan, come up next to me. Hell yeah, Brendogs. To the Birdsville pub. They've gone straight in for beers, just left us. Not a team effort anymore. Let's walk in.
Get our beers.
Freaking 500 and something k's of sand dunes. Let's go get a freaking beer, mate. We've earned this one. We've earned this one. Hey. Bloody made it. Yeah.
Beer time, Tom. Good job.
Where's
mate.
our beers, boys? Freaking hell.
We're on our third.
Jesus Christ.
Waiting around for us.
Here we go. Cheers, fellas.
Cheers, boys.
Made it. Yeah. Done.
This is my hotel as well. You go. Yeah.
When you're sitting at the table, every time you're up, Captain. It's my favourite song. When the dealing's done.